Hey there, trucking enthusiasts and legal eagles. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects both the roads and the courtroom: truck accident attorneys. If you've ever wondered about the ins and outs of navigating the aftermath of a trucking mishap or are simply curious about the legal side of the big rig world, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about truck accident attorneys, the unsung heroes behind the scenes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and buckle up for an informative ride. Let's roll into today's episode. Every 16 minutes, a life is forever altered by the chilling impact of a truck accident. Close your eyes for just a moment and imagine the countless miles of highways that crisscross our nation, connecting cities, towns, and lives. Now, picture this vast network as a double-edged sword, where the same arteries of progress that fuel our economy also bear witness to a staggering reality, a reality that unfolds in the form of truck accidents, leaving devastation in their wake. Meet Sarah, a vibrant young woman with dreams as vast as the open road. One sunny afternoon, she set out on a routine drive, blissfully unaware that her life was about to intersect with the harsh realities of truck accidents. The next few minutes would shatter the tranquility of her journey, as a massive truck veered into her path, forever changing the trajectory of her life. Sarah's story is not unique. In the United States alone, truck accidents claim thousands of lives each year, leaving families torn apart and communities grappling with the aftermath. As we delve into the world of these accidents, we'll uncover the complex web of factors that contribute to their occurrence and explore the urgent need for change in our approach to road safety. So, fasten your seatbelts, both literally and metaphorically, as we navigate through the statistics and stories that demand our attention, urging us to confront the pressing issue of truck accidents head-on. Because behind every statistic is a human life, a family, a community, all of whom deserve a safer journey on the roads we share. Picture this: a sprawling network of highways crisscrossing the nation, the lifeline of commerce, connecting cities and communities. Yet, within this intricate web, a sobering reality lurks, one that demands our attention and preparedness. Truck accidents, with their devastating consequences, cast a long shadow over our roads. In the aftermath of a truck accident, the importance of hiring a specialized advocate cannot be overstated. These collisions, often involving massive vehicles, carry unique legal complexities that require a skilled and experienced hand. Enter the truck accident attorney, the unsung hero for those navigating the aftermath of such traumatic events. Why is this role so crucial? Imagine facing the aftermath of a collision with a commercial truck, grappling not only with physical injuries but also with the complexities of insurance claims, corporate interests, and intricate regulations. A truck accident attorney becomes your legal beacon, guiding you through the labyrinth of paperwork, negotiations, and legal proceedings. These attorneys specialize in the intricacies of truck accident cases, armed with the knowledge to uncover the root causes, whether it be driver fatigue, equipment malfunctions, or company negligence. They stand as unwavering advocates, ensuring that victims receive the justice and compensation they rightfully deserve. As we delve deeper into the reasons why hiring a truck accident attorney is paramount, remember that in the face of uncertainty, legal expertise can be a lifeline. Join us on this journey as we explore the vital role these attorneys play in securing justice and rebuilding lives in the wake of truck accidents. In the vast tapestry of American highways, a troubling reality unfolds: truck accidents, both frequent and severe, cast a long shadow over the roads we share. Let's delve into the stark statistics that underscore the urgency of understanding and addressing this issue. Every year, over 500,000 truck accidents occur in the United States. The sheer magnitude of this number is staggering, revealing the alarming frequency with which these collisions take place. Tragically, these accidents claim over 5,000 lives annually and leave tens of thousands injured. Behind each statistic is a story, a family forever changed by the impact of a massive truck on the road. Now, let's turn our focus to the causes behind these incidents. One prominent factor is driver fatigue, a silent but potent contributor to truck accidents. Long hours on the road, tight schedules, and demanding deadlines can push drivers to the brink, impairing their alertness and reaction times. In fact, studies show that fatigue is a factor in nearly one-third of all truck accidents. Inadequate training is another critical issue. Operating a commercial truck demands specialized skills and knowledge. However, some drivers may find themselves behind the wheel without comprehensive training, leading to lapses in judgment and an increased risk of accidents. Equipment failure is a haunting specter on our highways. From faulty brakes to worn-out tires, the mechanical components of a truck must function seamlessly to ensure safe travel. Unfortunately, lapses in maintenance or subpar equipment can turn a routine journey into a catastrophe. Disturbingly, issues like distracted driving and substance abuse further compound the risks on our roads. Understanding the multifaceted nature of these causes is crucial in our quest to mitigate the impact of truck accidents. In our exploration of truck accidents, these statistics and causes serve as a poignant reminder that the road to safety